Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm here to recommend you our WG717E Corded Lawn Mower. This lawn mower is powerful enough to cut dense, thick glass like a champ. Since it's electric, this lawn mower is environmentally friendly and quieter than the gas-powered version. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing section. Welcome to unboxing session. First, we have two pieces of lower handle. And this is the carry handle. Another two handle knobs, spanner, and the two pieces of cable clips. This is the 20,000 watts powerful corded lawn mower. Last is the glass collection bag, product manual, and warranty card. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please comment below and see you in next video.